Hello there, welcome to episode 121 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show you how to play the Star Spangled Banner entirely in harmonics, the first part of it so far. Future lesson, I'll show you the rest of it, but now let me go ahead and play it, and then I'll show you exactly how you can play it too. So, starting here. And the second verse. From the key of G here, and it makes it pretty easy. You could actually play it in almost any key, believe it or not, with natural harmonics, but it gets a little tough. But I'll show you exactly what I'm doing here. Some of the notes are pretty hard to reach. Some of them use the very common harmonics, but this is a nice exercise for trying to get even the harder to get notes to be as loud as the easier harmonics. So it starts out 5th fret on the D string. That's one of the pretty easy ones. Okay, and then 12th fret in the B string. 12th fret on the G string. So the first three notes, and back to the 12th fret on the B string, 5th fret on the D string, 5th fret on the G. So the first part is really easy. These are very common harmonics to know, and pretty easy to hit. So again, okay, 5th fret on the D string, 12th fret on the B, 12th on the G, 12th on the B, 5th on the D, 5th on the G, okay? Then you go to the 5th on the B string, and that one's a little harder to get to ring out very clearly. And I'm playing nylon string, so it's not going to be as loud as a steel string. If you're playing steel string or electric guitar, these harmonics will jump out a little easier and a little louder for you. My nylon string is a little harder, okay? So the next part, 5th fret on the B string, and then this is probably the hardest note. It's on the 3rd fret on the D string. Like that. So kind of hard to hit. It's definitely a less used one, but very useful to know. Definitely. It's the 3rd octave of the harmonics. On the D string, you've got the 12th fret harmonic. At the 5th, it's an octave. That's an octave at the 12th fret, an octave at the 5th, and an octave at the 3rd fret. Okay. So the second part of it is 5th fret of the B string, 3rd fret in the D, then 5th fret on the G, okay, and then 12th fret on the B string, and then 4th fret on the A string, followed by 5th fret on the D string. So the 4th fret in the A string is another one that's a little harder to get, not quite as loud, not as well known. That's the 3rd of the A string, but an octave up. Okay. So second part again, 5th fret on the B string, 3rd fret on the D string, 5th on the G string, 12th of the B string, 4th of the A string, 5th of the D string. Okay, second part is similar. Okay, so 5th fret on the D string, 5th fret on the B string, again the 3rd fret on the D string, again the 5th fret on the G string, now 7th fret of the B string. Okay, this note is actually the same as the 4th fret of the D string, but it's a little easier to get it here. 7th fret on the B string, 12th fret on the E, 7th fret on the B again, 5th fret of the G, 5th fret on the D, 12th on the B, 12th on the G. So I'll play that second part again. I'll play it from the beginning actually. Second part. Okay. If you're playing, whether you're playing fingerstyle or pick style, plucking closer to the bridge very hard makes it easier for the strings to ring out, for the harmonics to ring out. So that's a little trick. Playing up here, it's very quiet, but playing close to the bridge, it's a lot louder. So for that heart attack, as close to the bridge as you can get. Maybe an inch from the bridge is good, at least on my guitar. Compared to up here where it's very quiet. This will make it ring out a bit more. Yep, and just try to hit those notes, especially the 3rd fret of the D string. It's pretty hard. 4th fret of the A string. It's pretty hard too. Okay? Let me know any questions or comments you may have. In a future episode, I'll show you the rest of the song, and thanks so much for watching.